When the cold winds of winter start to blow, there's nothing quite like transforming your home into a sanctuary of warmth and comfort. One of the best ways to do that is by embracing the Danish concept of hygge, the art of creating coziness and contentment in everyday moments. Think soft blankets, flickering candles, and spaces designed for both relaxation and togetherness. With winter right around the corner, it's the perfect time to give your home a hygge-inspired makeover. So, if you're ready to bring warmth to those chilly days and frosty nights, let's dive into the essentials of winter hygge home decor. The foundation of hygge decor lies in creating an atmosphere that feels inviting and warm. The first step is lighting. Soft, ambient lighting sets the mood for relaxation, and nothing does it better than candles. Whether scattered across a dining table, placed along a windowsill, or grouped together on a coffee table, candles create that signature warm glow synonymous with hygge. Try opting for natural beeswax or soy candles, as they not only look beautiful but also give off a subtle, calming scent. Additionally, don't overlook the power of string lights. Draping fairy lights around windows, shelves, or even along your headboard can create a magical winter wonderland effect, casting a gentle and cozy illumination. This type of lighting makes a space feel almost enchanted, perfect for quiet winter evenings spent with a book or in conversation with loved ones. Winter is all about tactile experiences, and hygge emphasizes the importance of comfort through soft, luxurious textures. Layering is key when it comes to textiles. Start by adding chunky knit blankets to your sofa or armchairs. Drape faux fur throws over beds and keep woolen or fleece pillows in abundance. These cozy additions invite you to snuggle up and enjoy the warmth, creating a cocoon of comfort during the colder months. Another tip? Mix and match your textures. Play with contrasting materials like velvet, linen, and sheepskin to add depth and richness to your space. This variety makes every corner of your home feel like a sensory delight, perfect for hibernating in style. Incorporating natural elements is an essential part of Hygge Decor. Wood is a great place to start. Whether through rustic wooden coffee tables, shelves, or decorative trays, wooden pieces introduce an organic warmth to any room. If you have a fireplace, stacking wood logs nearby not only looks charming but also emphasizes the cozy, fireside feeling. Bringing greenery into your home is another way to keep a connection to nature even in the coldest months. Winterproof houseplants like evergreens, eucalyptus, or even simple branches in a vase can bring life and freshness into your space. Plus, their neutral, calming colors work perfectly with the muted tones often found in Hygge Decor. If you've been inspired to create your own cozy hygge haven this winter, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more home decor tips. Also, if you like the ideas shared in this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which hygge decor elements you'll be adding to your home this season. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Hygge is all about creating spaces for relaxation and mindfulness. Designating a specific corner in your home for this can elevate the coziness factor. Choose a quiet, comfortable nook, perhaps by a window or a favorite chair, and make it your personal retreat for unwinding. Soft pillows, a plush throw, and a side table for a warm cup of tea are all you need to create your Hygge haven. Consider adding some personal touches, like your favorite books, a scented candle, or a soft rug underfoot. The goal is to create a space where you can escape the busyness of life and simply enjoy a moment of tranquility. The sense of smell is closely tied to our emotions, which makes it a vital part of creating a Hygge home. To fully embrace the coziness of winter, introduce comforting scents like cinnamon, vanilla, or pine. Essential oil diffusers or scented candles can fill your space with these calming aromas, instantly making your home feel more inviting. The scent of baking cookies or brewing tea also adds to the overall Hygge vibe, so don't hesitate to indulge in the comforting smells of home-cooked winter treats. While Hygge is often about creating a serene and comfortable atmosphere for oneself, it also celebrates the beauty of togetherness. Winter offers the perfect excuse to gather friends and family for a cozy night in. Set the scene with soft lighting, warm throws, and maybe a hot cocoa station complete with marshmallows and whipped cream. Whether it's a quiet evening chatting over tea or a night of board games by the fire, these moments of connection add a sense of warmth and belonging that is central to the Hygge lifestyle. As winter settles in, bringing hygge into your home can transform those cold, dark days into moments of warmth, comfort, and joy. By focusing on lighting, textures, natural elements, and creating spaces for both relaxation and connection, you can design a home that feels like a cozy retreat from the world. So light your candles, snuggle into that chunky knit blanket, and enjoy the simple pleasures of a hygge-inspired winter. This winter, make your home a place where serenity and warmth rule, and embrace the hygge way of living.